Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We will be together with you on 25th of November after analysis. As you know, like today is not so volatile day because of the Thanksgiving day. In US, the market is closed. European market is closed as well. So we are just waiting to open in Asian trade session. Then we will see some volatility. There will be three charts today and as classic, and then we will cover those charts with you. All right, let's start with CAD Japanese yen. So Canadian dollar is rising with US oil prices, the WTI prices, and just decline with the rise or with the decline of oil. So we see the same level of decline in Canadian dollar price as well. So against Japanese yen, as long as the demand for crude oil just get less with COVID related issues, we will see the decline in that one. So right now, as you can see, it's on a resistance level and it's supposed to be lower, and then if it just doesn't break this level, then we may see a rejection in this one, because oil prices as well, like having a trouble right now, and we are expecting to go down a little bit with these recent strategic petroleum reserve tapping. So we will see lower level of Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen will just gain momentum, gain some value against it. With a sell position, you can make money in Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. All right, let's look at our next chart, which is gold.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are at the chart of gold. As you can see here, with the rise of US 10-year bonds, gold is on the fall. And we have seen this story in like at the end of October. Let's look at it here. The same time level, 22nd of October, and the same level, and then 22nd of October it's just getting full, and the last week of November as well, it's at the same target. So US 10-year bonds is rising with faster tapering expectation, and also rate hike expectation. With this one, they are going high, and then their fixed income is getting higher. Gold doesn't have that one, and it's getting low. But gold is always a safe haven. So if there's a problem in the market, then we will see the rise in prices of gold, and we may see a sharp rise in the market. What kind of a shock can trigger this one? It's definitely COVID. If we see a travel restrictions in Europe, okay, if we see another major problem related to COVID, then we will see a sharp increase in gold prices. And we are receiving a lot of US data at the beginning of December from US, and if some of them are really negative, then dollar index will just lose value and gold will rise against that one, and then we will see that one. As long as the US 10-year bonds rise and or just stays in this level, we will be seeing the gold at this level. Even lower levels are possible in gold. If you see right now it's 164 US 10-year bond interest rate. If we see 170, 175, we may see 1750 levels, USD levels in gold prices. Let's look at our last chart, which is GBP Japanese yen. All right, our last chart is GBP Japanese yen. You remember that around like a beginning of November, we made another video and then we said Japanese yen will just gain value against GBP because the problems in pound is not recovering and the Japanese new government doesn't want devaluation that high levels, and it happened and then it has seen low levels, and right now it is getting consolidated between like a 152 and 154. It's just going up and forward, up and forward, and up and down. You see, not much happening. So what we can expect if we see recover in UK business climate right now because of the recent fuel shortages, truck driver shortages. They are suffering in every report released, every report. If we see really strong data on that side, then we will see a higher level of GBP against Japanese yen. At the same time, if we see another wave, COVID wave in Japan, and then stimulus packages right now it's being discussed, and then if we see those release of those packages of Japanese yen, then we will see also a hike in this currency pair. But if things go like this, if Japan recovers fast, then we may see lower level of this currency pair. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning. We will cover more news. As I said, today is US market is closed because of Thanksgiving, and tomorrow they will close early. There will be like just 3 or 4 hours trading session, and then after that it will close again, and then the market will close tomorrow early. Thank you so much. Have a nice and profitable day. Keep in touch. Bye.